Doctrine of legitimate expectation. A citizen has a reasonable expectation to be treated fairly or consistently based on past government practices or official policies. Even if they do not have a strict legal right, citizens expect fair treatment when authorities follow consistent practices or promises. Protects procedural and substantive expectations. Case: Food Corporation of India v. Kamdhenu Cattle Feed Industries. 1993. Doctrine of promissory estoppel. The government cannot back out of a promise it made to a citizen if that citizen altered their position, e.g., spent money or started a business based on that promise. Government bound by clear promises if citizens rely on them. Prevents arbitrary withdrawal unless justified by public interest. Case: Motilal Padampat Sugar Mills v. State of UP. 1979. Principle of good governance. Focuses on process, not just outcomes. Features: participatory, accountable, efficient, transparent, inclusive. Rule of law. Ensures decisions are made fairly and inclusively. Principle of reasonableness. The principle of reasonableness states that government decisions must be logical, rational, and free from arbitrary whims if an administrative action is so absurd or illogical that no sensible person could have ever made it. Courts will strike it down as illegal. Administrative discretion must be logical and fair. Prevents irrational or arbitrary actions. Linked with Article 14 and the Mrjsbhatti test. Principle of non-arbitrariness. Every state action must be logical and justified. If a government decision is based on absolute whim, favoritism, or lack of reason, courts will strike it down under Article 14 of the Constitution. Right to equality. Rule against delegation. Delegatus non potest delegare. An authority that has been given a specific power by the legislature cannot delegate that power to someone else, unless the original law explicitly allows it. Doctrine of public accountability. Public officials hold power as trustees of the public. If they abuse their power or cause loss to the public exchequer through gross negligence, they can be held personally liable. These principles form a cohesive safety mechanism, ensuring that as the modern state expands its regulatory and welfare functions, administrative action remains accountable, rational, and compliant with constitutional standards.